Offered for sale is an iconic piece of American muscle car history, a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Sport Coupe. All numbers matching, finished in a rare and highly desirable Bolero Red exterior, and factory equipped with air conditioning. A standout combination that delivers both performance and comfort. This Chevelle represents the perfect balance of aggressive styling, big block power, and timeless Chevrolet design. The vehicle identification number prefix 138 confirms this Chevelle was born a true supersport, factory equipped with Chevrolet's legendary 396 cubic inch big block V8. This makes it one of the most sought after muscle cars of the golden era. A photo of the engine stamp is displayed in the gallery. Power is routed to the rear wheels through a turbo hydromatic 403-speed automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear axle with a PosiTraction differential. The car left the factory finished in Bolero Red with a black taillight panel and additional equipment including faux hood vents, quad headlights, chrome bumpers, SS and 396 emblems, dual side mirrors, electric windshield wipers, and quarter vent windows. The car rides on 15-inch rally wheels with redline tires. Braking is power-assisted drum brakes. The car is equipped with power steering, and the suspension uses front and rear coil springs with rear air shocks. Inside, the cabin reflects classic Chevrolet craftsmanship, offering a driver-focused layout with factory supersport details. The front bucket and rear bench seats are upholstered in medium red vinyl that extends to the dash pad and the door panels. The sport-styled simulated walnut steering wheel fronts a horizontal 120-mile-per-hour speedometer and a tachometer along with readouts for battery status, coolant temperature, and oil pressure. Interior appointments include a floor-mounted shifter, a center console, an analog clock, manual crank windows, a retro-look radio, and a lighted glove box. The undercarriage presents clean and solid, with well-maintained frame rails, floor pans, and suspension components reflecting proper care and attention throughout the lifespan of this Chevelle. The chassis and drivetrain components are detailed and correctly installed, showing the car is as impressive underneath as it is on top. This is a rare opportunity to own a true supersport big block Chevelle from one of the most celebrated years in Chevrolet history. A car that represents raw American horsepower, unmistakable style, and enduring value. Please contact LRA at 215-781-3790. That's 215-781-3790. Or email us at sales@lrasales.com for more information on this classic Chevelle.